Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to continue lesson 3 Save Germany. In the previous video I have already taught you the word meaning and the explanation of the lesson. Today I am going to start the exercise of this lesson. In the exercise first we will start true and false. So the first question is Karan and Karim lived in a village. It is true or false? It is true. The next question is they would rest under the jamun tree in summer. It is true or false? It is true. Now next question is they lived to tease the squirrel. It is true or false? It is false. No, they never tease the squirrels on the jamun tree. The next question is the men were able to cut down jamuni. It is true or false? It is false because they were not able to cut the jamun tree. The next question is we all must grow more trees and protect them. It is true or false? It is true. Now next exercise is who said this word? Write their names on the blanks. The first question is what will this man do with the excess? Who said this word? These words are said by the Karan. Now the next question is let's go and ask our teacher for a help. Who said this word? These words are said by Karim. Now the next question is stop, do not touch that tree. Who said this word? These words are said by the villagers. Now the next is answer this question. So the first question is who built their homes in the jamun tree? The answer is birds built their homes in the jamun tree. Now the next question is why did the children call the tree jamuni? The answer is the tree was full of purple jamuns. That's why the children named the tree jamuni, meaning the purple one. Now the next question is why did the three men come to the village? The answer is the three men came to the village to cut down the trees. Now the next question is who did Karan and Karim go to for help? The answer is Karan and Karim went to their school teacher for the help. Now the next question is how were the trees saved? The answer is the teacher rang the school bell to collect the villagers and told the whole story. All of them went to the forest and stopped the men to the tree. In this way the tree was saved. Now next exercise is complete the words pair. Use word from the box. Some words are given and you have to match the pairs of that words from the given box. So the first word is morning. The pair of morning is evening. The next word is bread. The pair of bread is butter. The next word is day. The pair of day is night. The fourth word is a table and the pair of table is chair. The fifth one is cup and the pair of cup is saucer. And the sixth one is needle and the pair of needle is thread. Now the next exercise is write the letters to make words. Some words are given and you have to write the suitable letters to make a complete word. As you can see that is in the dash I have already filled the answer. So the first one is dash ig. In the dash I have written tw, that is twig. The another word is shoe, oes. In the dash I have written sh, that means shoes, shoes, shoes. In the next word ade, in the dash I have written sh, that means shade, shade, shade. In the fourth one uck, in the dash I have written tr, truck, truck, truck. In the next word ist, in the dash I have written the tw, that means twist, twist, twist. Now the next word is unk. In the dash I have written TR, that means trunk, TRUNK, trunk. In the next word ARE, in the dash and I have written SH, that means share, SHARE, share. The next word is double E. In the dash I have written TREE, that means tree. In the next word I have there is O. In the dash I have written TW, that means two, TWO, two. So okay student, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to complete all the exercise in your copy and you have to learn it also.